Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use PayPal app in mobile. Now, first thing I will show you is how to actually download PayPal on your mobile. So you have to go to Play Store, then go to search, and now you have to search for PayPal. Once you search for it, you will find it just right here. You can simply click on download, but here in my case, I have it installed, so I'm gonna update it. And now once you download it, you should now navigate to it and open it on your phone. And here, as you can see, it will ask you to log in or sign up. If you do not have an account, you can simply click on sign up, and this is what I'm going to do right now in this video. Once you click on sign up, they will ask you to enter your phone number, then click on next. After adding your phone number, now you have to set up your profile. You have to enter the legal first name, last name, email, and password, and make sure to enter all of these data correctly without any mistakes. Now click on next, and after that they will ask you to add your address, and you should type in details your address, including the street number, apartment, city, and so on. Then check this box down below right here and click on agree and create account. Then it will show you this page. Now you have to link a credit or debit card, so enter your credit card number, or you can simply click on skip on the top right corner, and after that it will show you this page. Click on continue, and here it will show you the main screen. Now you can simply click on send now in order to send some money or pay someone through PayPal. And when you scroll to the right side, you can find this option, send a request. You can ask someone to pay you or send you money, and you have below right here the two buttons that you can send and request money, and down below right here you will find other options. And if you want to add a bank account or debit or credit card to your PayPal, you should click on this icon on the bottom right corner, which looks like cards stacking up. Then here it will show you these three options. You can choose one of them and add your bank or card. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.